In the meantime, the challenges and the triumphs of the states of emergency were again debated in the Senate on Friday as the upper house voted on the motion to extend the emergency powers measure. The 9 SOEs are to expire tomorrow. In light of the recent revelation that several men were being held under the measure for over a year, opposition senators again chided the government about what it called failures in detentions, crime figures, and reports of abuse.
Our poor people lives matter.
However, leader of government business, Kamina Johnson-Smith, hit back, insisting that issues highlighted over the periods have been addressed.
In the communities where the declarations have been declared, where the states of emergency have been declared, community members appreciate the space that they have to live. They appreciate the presence of the security forces. Mr. President, we recognize that simply having police presence is not always enough. The states of emergency are not only force multipliers, but they are intended to take us to a place where normal policing can achieve greater results.
15 senators voted for the extensions, while 5 voted against them. 1 senator was absent.